Hey guys, it's your girl AJIADIOR and I'm coming back to you with another frontal wig install. Keep in mind this is custom made. I colored it, installed it of course, constructed it on my sewing machine. Guys, I did everything from the start to the finish. So if you are interested in purchasing a custom unit, you can message me on Instagram through DM. You could go to my website and I'll link all of that in the description. So just keep watching guys, because I know you want to know how to install this wig. Alrighty guys, so now we are doing the braid down. Now, the most important thing you need to know for the braid down is that it has to be flat. It has to be flat. If it's not flat, you're going to be able to tell, like, under the wig, you're going to be able to tell that your braid down is not flat because it's going to be sitting on top of your head looking like a mountain, like some of these females be doing because they only be doing like 3 braids. You feel me? So y'all have to have at least 5 to 6 braids on each side at least, guys. That way your install can be flat and look laid, you know? So all I do is make clean and crispy parts, because sometimes, you guys, when my wig come off or I take my wig off, I will rock my braids. And that's why I just make it neat for everybody, because y'all just deserve to have a neat braid down, you feel me? Sometimes your wig gonna come off, and that's just that on that. And then I'm just gonna put a little edge control. Well, actually it's jam. It's like $1 from the hair store, the one with the orange top. Just put a little jam right there before you braid, and then you set. Like, it's so easy, guys. It's self-explanatory for the braid down. So now I have a skin color cap on her. If you did watch my previous video, you would have noticed that I used, I think I used the spray to lay the cap down. Oh yeah, go watch that video, guys, because I'm at 5,000 right now. So yeah, I want to get like 6,000 to 7,000 to 8,000. So now I'm just going to put Bold Hold Active on her skin color cap, at least 1 inch above the hairline, because that just protects the edges. We don't want somebody to be saying they don't have no edges or take their wig off and it's bald edge. We're not having that. And keep in mind also, this only takes like 3 to 5 minutes to dry. And if you had a fan on, it's going to take like 2 minutes. So now for the easiest part of the install, we're cutting the cap off. You're just going to cut as close to the cap as you can. You know, just don't cut her skin or nothing, but just cut as close as you can to the cap, because it'll just make it look way more natural the closer you cut. Also, another thing, I don't put makeup like on my cap, like around where the glue resides. I don't put makeup right there, because it makes it not stick. So now I'm just making sure the wig fits perfectly, just seeing where it lays. And after this, I actually only put makeup on. I put makeup inside the wig on the lace. Like, I don't use spray tint. I use Ruby Kisses, and I'm actually going to put that in the link below. You can get it from the hair store for like $5.99. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my 3 layers of Bold Hold Active on there. And you want to make sure you do at least a thick enough line. And when you put the glue on, you want to put some on the cap too. So you want to put some on the cap, and then you want to go at least probably a ½ inch below the cap, just to make sure it sticks, guys. And it should take about like 2 to 3 minutes to dry, and then you're just going to put the next layer on and the next layer for a total of 3 layers. And you'll be able to tell like when it's ready to lay the wig, because it'll be clear. You know, if you still got a little, see how it's clear right there? Now it is time to lay the wig down, guys. Basically you just pull the wig up on the glue and then use the rat tail comb and, like, you know, just simmer it in there, let it marinate. Alright, so now I'm going to cut the lace in a zigzag pattern with some small scissors, and I did bodies from the hair store as well. I'm telling y'all, the hair store is your best friend. Like, they cheap, they got everything you need, and they open almost every day, okay? So, use advantage of them. I mean, not use advantage. Take advantage of what you are given, okay, guys? Because you're giving it, so take advantage of it. And now for the grand finale, we are on the last curl, guys. This is the most important part because this is going to determine if that bang is going to be laid right. Because, you know, the bang tell the whole look. Besides the edges, the bang is the most important. So I just round curled it, and you're going to curl it away from the face. And then I just pinned it up, guys. And I'm taking my elastic band off. The elastic band is also your best friend too. And you can get that from the hair store for like $1.29 to be exact before tax, guys. So now I'm just pulling out some hairs for edges, which is my favorite part, guys. I'm not going to even explain the part when I do the edges. I'm just going to put some good music on for y'all, and y'all just going to watch. so we have finished the edges, and that's basically the most important last part. Now we're just gonna comb out these beautiful curls with a wide tooth comb. Y'all, I really love this style so much. It was custom made, so I provided the hair. I constructed the unit on my sewing machine. I colored it. It was bleached and then I watercolored it, guys. I should have did a tutorial of that. If y'all want me to show y'all how I go from a natural color black hair to this color, let me know in the comments. Yeah, guys, I plucked it. I provided everything for her and installed it as well. So if y'all are interested in purchasing a custom unit, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'll leave all my information down below, guys. Y'all, I'm so in love with it. Do y'all like it? Let me know what y'all think of it in the comments. Show some love to me, guys. Like my video, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, share it. And once again, thank you all for tuning in and watching my video. I'm gonna just keep making videos, guys. I'm gonna try to be more consistent. I'm gonna try to upload at least one YouTube video a day. Okay? I'm gonna try to keep that promise to y'all.